This is the road leading to the property I'm gonna show you now. It's a floor-free area. Hey guys, good day. Today I'll be showing you this magnificent 5-bedroom fully detached duplex with a BQ. You can see it's all around white. You guys lover of white, so I'll bring this to you. This is a very spacious 5-bedroom fully detached. Look at the car park, look at the design on the floor. Let's go in and see how the interiors looks like. To my right hand side here is where we have the ante room. Ante room is where your guests can have a seat before you allow them to the main living room. You can have the TV here and a small couch. So here is the guest toilet that your guests can use even if you don't want to allow them here. So look at the very big living room. Look at the beautiful chandelier, and over there is where we have the video doorbell. This is the video doorbell where you can see anyone that press the ring outside. Look at the tiles, look at the Italian tiles, shiny Italian tiles. Let's have a look at the fitted kitchen. I know this is one madam likes the most. So wow, look at the fitted kitchen, look at the chandelier up there, look at the heat extractor. This is the 4-phase burner. Look at the cream color cabinet, very lovely, beautiful. Microwave, oven, and this space here is where you can put your fridge. So here is the pantry where you can put your food stuff. You can just have a small shelf here to keep your foodstuffs. Perfect, right? Here is the guest room downstairs. Basically it's a 5-bedroom, as I said earlier. So we have one room downstairs and 4 other rooms upstairs, excluding the BQ. So this is the wardrobe. You can see the wardrobe is spacious enough for your guests. So here is the toilet and bathroom for your guests. Come with standing shower and wash and basin. I believe you are with me, so come along. Let's see what we have upstairs. 4 other rooms upstairs. Let's go. So you will see this beautiful design on my right hand side that we prepare for you. This is where you can put some beautiful artwork, frames and all. So we have this design for you already, so just insert it. Here is the family lounge. Look at the headroof. You can see it's high, and we have this beautiful chandelier. Spacious. So let me open this place for you to view the balcony where you can take fresh air from the family lounge to the balcony. And here is the balcony where you can have take some fresh air. So let's share the second room. Remember there is one downstairs. So this is room number 2. This is the bedroom. It's come with a standing shower as well. Look at the beautiful shower. So let's check the room we are checking out. Is room number 3. So this is room number 3. You can see spacious too. It comes with wardrobe, beautiful lightings, and this is the toilet and bedroom. And the room is ventilated, very well ventilated. So let's check the room number 4. This room number 4. This is the wardrobe. It's spacious as well and is well ventilated. So let's check the master bed. That makes it room number 5. So this is the walkway to master bedroom. To my right here is the wardrobe with the master. You can see it's big enough. Both left and right we have wardrobe at the master bed. Here is the drawer. You can see you have enough space in this wardrobe, both left and right. Enough space where you can hang your clothes, your shoe, bags and all. To my left here is where the bedroom is. It's come with standing shower. It's come with bathtub. Very nice WC. wash and basin. You can see the wash and basin is not all this common wash and basin. It's nice. It also comes with water heater as well. So now let me take you to the main master bedroom. Let's check the space in the master bedroom. You can see this master bed is very big, very enormous. Here is where you can station your bed and directly facing your electronics. So this is where you can put your electronics, DSTV cable, everything is intact. And this space, you can have your lounge here where you can put your chair, small table. We have interior decoration that can do that for you. So let's check the balcony to see the beautiful town view from the balcony. This is the balcony. Right from your master bed to the balcony, you have this beautiful town view. You can see. So when you inspect, you will see all these. So now I'll be taking you around the house to show you the surroundings and everything so that you won't be left out with anything. I will show you all the surroundings. Let's go downstairs. Let's have a look at the compound. This is the security post, where we have the security post. Look at this floor. Look at the beautiful car park. Look at the design on the floor, the stamp floor, the artificial grass design. You can see it's spacious and you can take 4 cars conveniently. You can take 4 cars conveniently. Yes. So to my right hand side there on the fence is where we have the lightings all around the fence. So come along with me. Let's go. I'll be showing you every detail of this house. Remember, we did not count the BQ. So when I say 5 bedroom fully detached, it's just the room, but the BQ, which is meant for your maid, is not included. So I'll be showing you the BQ as well and the water treatment plants. So at the back here is where we have the water treatment plants. Look at it over there. This is the water treatment plant for you. So let's check the BQ. The BQ is here. So wow, this BQ is big. It's not common for you to see a brush cutter made room like this. It is not common. So it's big. This is the toilet and bathroom for your maid. So from this place, you see the exit of the kitchen. So basically, maid have access to the kitchen from his or her room. So this is the exit of the kitchen. I've shown you the kitchen before. So this entrance is the exit from the kitchen. So from maid room to the kitchen, from the kitchen to the maid room. I believe you understand this explanation. So let's go look at this lighting. Is go around the fence like that. So basically, we've turned this building around 360 degrees back to where the carport is. I believe you are following me. This property is going for 150 million naira and it's located in Agungi. The place where the property is located is not a flooded area at all. Alright guys, here we come to the end of this property tour. I remain your #1 trusted real estate consultant in Lagos, Nigeria. My name is Ibrahim Udu from Zima Homes. If you are watching my channel for the first time, endeavor to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Cheers.